In this video, we're gonna see how we can select date ranges, create filters, and apply sorting to the table we are creating inside Porter metrics and that we are going to send to Google BigQuery. Let's go to it. Remember that in previous videos, we have already checked how to select the data sources we want to import to the table, how to connect our Google Cloud account, how to select metrics and dimensions, and now we're gonna start with the date ranges. When you click on the date range row, by default, you're going to see that the period is last 7 days. However, if you click on it, you can see we can have many more date ranges. You can have last 14 days, last 30 days, this month, last month, this year. You can have custom date ranges if you have a specific starting date and a specific ending date you want to check. Now let's go to filters. Now let's create a filter. Before that, let's take a look to the table preview we have in the right. You can see that we have a column called region, and this column is labeling each country depending on the region. So Mexico is LATAM, Canada is NAM, United States is NAM. We're going to create a filter to exclude Canada and United States. So what we're going to do is that we're going to hit on filter, then we're going to click the plus button, and now we have these boxes. We're gonna click on select condition. Since we are going to exclude Canada and United States from the table, we are going to select exclude. Then we're gonna select the field to which we want the filter to apply. When you click on it, you will see a drop down with all the columns inside the table preview. In this case, we're gonna select region. We're gonna select the operator. In this case is equals, and we're going to type the region that we want to exclude. In this case is NAM. If you click on select connector, you're going to be able to choose an operator or an or operator to refine the filter that you want to do. In this case, we're not going to do that. We're just going to refresh our table. And now you can see that we don't have any more United States and Canada because we exclude them with our filter. Now we are going to sort this table. Sorting is useful when you want to organize your data in an ascending or descending order based on a specific field. In this case, we're going to do it with the date. So I'm going to click on sort, click on select field. You're going to see a drop down with all the fields that are in the table preview. I'm going to select date. Then I'm going to click on descending and I'm going to refresh my table preview. Now you see that the table is organized going from the most recent date to the oldest. And this is how you select date ranges, create filters, and apply sorting on the table we are creating that soon we are going to be sending to Google BigQuery.